Hey guys, Vinny's here today in Squirrel Town, and I am going to show you our newest building, the bunker. So this bunker is so nice that we actually take our shoes off before entering because we don't want to get any dirt in here because it's too nice. So coming down into the bunker, we have 3 steps that are very, very well handcrafted. We wanted to make sure that it's equal steps, which is why the first step is 12 inches, the second is 8, and the third is 12. So anyways, the walls here are made out of 2x4s, thick. You know, we stacked on top of each other. 20 2x4s from the bottom to the top, and there's 4 walls. So this project engulfed over 100 2x4x7s. So definitely a lot of 2x4s. I'll post a picture at the end of the video of how we lugged those home, so you've got to see that. But we also bought some galvanized metal roofing here. Oh. So, this is our roofing. The first time we ever cut it, and I lacerated my finger real bad. You can't see it, it healed. This was a little while ago, but this stuff's nasty. So, anyways, this is our bunker. What we plan on doing is we have our lights up here, and we're gonna put a table and some cards down here, and we're gonna spend our cold winter days in here because it's so warm. So, the floor here, as you can see, I wanted to see that. It's so warm. We installed heating pads under all these bricks. Just kidding, but these bricks, you know, we got them from Menards. I think they're 12 by 12. Yes, they are, because it's 6 foot. So they're 12 by 12, and I think we have 36 of them here. So cutting them here was kind of a chore. We didn't film those because it was really, really sketchy, because we used a regular saw blade on those stones. So it was whoosh. Hey guys, so I'm on the outside of the bunker now, and I'm going to give you a little tour on the outside. So as you see, we have, we call this our crown molding, but it's good enough. So here's where the power comes in. We have it buried, shooting straight across, and so it comes in here, routes in there, and then boom, we have electricity. So we had one stipulation, we have something down there that we can't dig past. Maybe it's a boulder or something, but we couldn't dig past like maybe 2.5 foot. So in order to make this bunker really a bunker, we didn't feel like 2 foot could be in the ground, 6 out of the ground. So we sloped up all the dirt everywhere around. That way it makes it look like this thing is truly, from the back here, you'd think it's really, 5 foot in the ground. So, as I said, this roof is galvanized. You can walk on it. You shouldn't walk on it because we only put like 3 2x4s under there to support it. So if you're feeling risky, go ahead. But you'll see we've also sprayed some crap that's supposed to, as you see, it obviously didn't do a very good job in these, but it's supposed to insulate it and keep the rain from just molding everything out. So as you see, this is our building. We had a fun time doing this, especially since it was March and we had to get out and build a bunker. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.